Hey guys, just thought I'd share with you one of my favorite parts about being a real estate agent. Just listed this home this week. You probably remember it. And we are under contract. Let me just tell you a little bit about it. We ran the system that I use to sell homes. It's called the 72 sold system. We ran it perfectly on the system. Listed the home on Thursday. Started showings on Friday. Showed it Friday, Saturday, had an open house yesterday, had well in excess of 100 people at the open house. We told everybody offers are due Monday at noon. We had in excess of 15 offers. This home was listed at $999 and we are closing well above that price. The 72 sold, basically takes 72 hours to get a home sold, worked perfectly. And so today, one of my favorite things that I get to do is to put the under contract sign up. It's a great feeling to be able to help people move on with their life. The 72 sold system works. It works well. It helps people sell for the most amount of money and the least amount of hassle. So if you're thinking of selling your home and you're looking for an agent that actually runs a program that works, ask me about the 72 sold system. Love to be able to help you get your home on the market and sold quickly.
I would recommend 72 sold to my grandmother. It's a phenomenal experience like nothing you've ever done with real estate.